How to log into your BlockFi account step by step. So in here, firstly, let me tell you guys that unfortunately BlockFi is no longer in the platform. They have actually discontinued the application, so you can no longer find this application anywhere. Even if it was on your phone, it will now no longer work, right? So if you do have your account on a BlockFi, and obviously if you do have money in it, you can actually simply get the Coinbase application through your App Store or Play Store. Then from there, you can open the application, and then from there, you can now sign into your Coinbase using the credentials of BlockFi. Simply tap on sign in after opening your Coinbase. In here, all you need to do is enter the email address of your BlockFi account, then tap on continue, and then simply write down the password, then tap on login in order to log into your BlockFi through your Coinbase. So all of the investments, money, and all of the things that you had on your BlockFi account will automatically get transferred into the Coinbase. So like I said, if you do have your account sign up with the Google platform, you can also tap on sign in with Google and go along with the process of signing in, and like that you'll be able to log into your BlockFi account. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.